Okay, so today I'm making a quick video regarding the Rustoleum Deck restore removal process. This is day 3. We started with the power washer right there. And it took us literally 5 hours of a 2-man team to get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or so boards done. In that process, it splintered a lot of the wood, and I wouldn't recommend it. You have to do it at a really high PSI, and it'll take it off, but whether or not your deck boards will be reusable is hard to tell. So, but the deck restore, what it did was, if you had any sort of imperfection, which is bound to happen sooner or later, it allows water to seep into the wood, and the water basically just rots it from the inside out. So this is where I'm at. I've got this upper part close to finished. I mean, I've got to do a lot more, but it's a lot of progress. Got these boards that completely rotted out. I don't know if I'm going to try and salvage those ones. I might hit it with the tool and see what they're doing underneath there, and then cut and replace maybe 8-foot, 10-foot sections or whatever you have. That's at a later date. So we're here now on this part of the deck, and I'll show you how the tool works. I got it at Harbor Freight for $43. The bristle attachment, I know there's a lot of sun. Let me get in the shade. The bristle attachment was $3.99. They frequently have coupons for 20% off. So you can get this set up for, just under $40, most likely. Let me prop this camera up, this phone, and I'll test out a small section, and you guys can decide whether it's worth it or not. But the power wash, in my opinion, was just too harsh. Let me prop this up and give you a little example of what I'm doing. Okay, that looks pretty good. I recommend buying some safety goggles or glasses that wrap around the sides of your eyes, sides of your face, and a mask. And if you're going to go out and buy a tool, buy some knee pads too. I also recommend doing this late fall, maybe even winter. You don't want to be doing this in the hot sun, so, or at least wait till you have shade. So let me start. Okay, so let me remove the mask. This is the section right here. I mean, you can see a lot of it's chipped off, but I've got a good patch here that needs to be removed. I mean, the whole deck's got to be removed, but this is the patch I'm going to be working on. Okay, so this is the board, and took out a lot of it. So I did right here. I don't know how good that picture is, but as you can see, it's a long and lengthy process, but it beats power washing. It beats boiling water and scraping. I would recommend doing this than maybe renting a, power sander, floor sander for $50 a day and just going over it. It's a lot of work, but gotta do what you gotta do. Good luck.